Welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about verb, but before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Verb. What is verb? A verb is a word that shows actions, and the actions can be physical or mental. Few examples: write, jump, think. More examples of verb are eat, eat, drink, stand, make, want, wear, turn on, tell, give, tie. Sentence using verb. Sit. I can sit. Can you sit? Stand. I can stand. Can you stand? Walk. I can walk. Can you walk? Look. I can look. Can you look? Listen. I can listen. Can you listen? Talk. I can talk. Can you talk? Think. I can think. Can you think? Read. I can read. Can you read? Yes. Types of verb. Verb describes an action or state of being. Number one type is action verb. Express physical or mental actions. For example, run, eat, think, write, dance, or jump. Transitive verbs. These verbs transfer the action from the subject to the object. Next type is intransitive verbs. Do not require a direct object to complete their meaning. She laughed. Laughed is an intransitive verb. Auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs that work together with main verb to create verb phrase. They convey various tenses, moods, and voices. Be, have, do, can, will, shall, and may. Modal verbs express possibility, necessity, permission, or ability. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, and ought to. Regular verbs follow standard patterns for forming the past tense and past participle by adding ed to the base form. Example: walk. Base form: walked, past tense. Irregular verbs do not follow the regular pattern for forming the past tense and past participle. Go, base, and went, past tense. Gone, past participle.